Yo, what's up everyone? Namaste India, welcome back again. This is your African boys, myself Gabs Gabi, and today I'm with
Mohib from Sudan.
Yeah, this is Mohib. We are all from Africa, and today we are going to react to Chennai's Super King. So first of all, let's say congratulations.
Yeah,
Tell them congratulations for winning the IPL Indian Premier League 2023. So do you know any Chennai player? You can tell them.
Yeah, Dhoni.
Dhoni.
Yeah, I like that guys.
Yeah, he knows.
Famous.
Yeah, he knows MS Dhoni, guys. He's the only famous guy from cricket. And we do have. They also have one guy they call Jadeja.
Yeah, I know.
He's also one of the best player. So congratulations to all the Chennai fans. I love you. And today we are going to see the fans' reaction from the video. We are reacting from Reflect News Tamil. So credit goes to them. Don't forget, if it's your first time here, kindly show some love. Join them. What does it mean, guys? We don't know what does it mean. Calm.
சக்தி உள்ள தெய்வமா இருந்தா இந்த ஒரு பால்ல ஜெயிக்கணுமா அம்மா ஓம் சக்தி சமயபுரத்து மகமாயி தோனியோட லாஸ்ட் டீம் அம்மா ஆத்தா
He's so angry.
This guy.
If I be like him, I will go to hospital.
Mariyamma, Irisuliyamma, Niliyamma.
Throw this thing. I think that guy is opponent supporting the other team.
Yeah. They're too fast.
Yeah.
கொஞ்சம் மென்டல். எந்த நேரத்துல என்ன பண்ணுவேன்னு எனக்கே தெரியாது. போடா போ.
Look at me, look like yeah. Lakshmi. Yeah. Lakshmi we stay for girl in India. You see, we have hospital also Lakshmi. His name is Lakshmi. Near there.
அவன் அப்படிதான். போடு அடிச்சுக்க.
Like a monkey. Now he behind it and break everything he found in front of bed. Be crazy or something like that. Oh my god. I don't know why people do like that. Just mad.
He's going crazy.
Yeah.
I'm so happy.
Don't do like that. Just you can do that.
But those people, they have like big luck.
Yeah, a lot of emotion.
போல காட்ல இருக்க மவனை கொல்லாம விட மாட்டேன்.
Today I found guys.
So guys, that was all. Actually, those were the fans reaction. All the fans, supporters of Chennai.
Yeah, Chennai.
Super fun. So you see, those people like actually like they are born like that, like from childhood since they are young. They love cricket.
Yeah, I think these people, India people, have a lot of emotion.
Emotion,
because,
yeah. They are so emotional.
When you still kids, you will learn this. You must to play. I love this.
Yes.
Play. So
if they said I love cricket, so they will start like they will start doing. They will focus. From young, you will be putting.
You will focus and everything. You will never have a peace of mind until you reach your.
Until you will be good enough.
Oh,
yeah, some of them like those of dhoni. I think they started also playing when they were young.
Yeah.
Right.
Like so in India, this cricket like we know like football match we have Neymar, we have Ronaldo. Here we have Dhoni.
Yeah, we have dhoni.
Yeah.
We have Virat Kohli.
Yeah.
They have
all guys. I don't know.
They're all professional best players in the world.
So if you anybody know what mean of can, you will write in comment.
Yeah, what does can mean, guys? Today we got a lot of cans. What does
I don't know what.
You find most of the Indian name like Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah.
It end with Khan. What does it mean? Khan.
Can means like Muslim people in
Yeah,
India.
in Arabic.
Yeah,
In
yeah.
Arabic, can is
Means
like
past.
can. If you want to tell someone some can like
Yeah, I will.
past long time
Like
ago.
3 years ago.
Yeah,
something
can,
like that.
can.
You say ka. Is that in Arabic? But in India, I don't
In
know.
India, I don't know. So let us know. That is it, guys. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah.
Tata.